Okay, now a lot of you might have a chalkboard at home. So we're going to practice writing the letter A, uppercase and lowercase, on our chalkboard, okay? So remember, when we're going to practice writing our capital or uppercase A. So we start with one line that way. That's step one. I'm left-handed, so this is why it looks like this, okay? That's step two, a line going down this way. And then step three is to connect both lines like that. Did you see that? Let's try it one more time, okay? I'll practice writing with the other hand so you can see better. All right, so step one is this. One line going down to the left. Step two, one line going down to the right. And step three, connect both of those lines, and that is an uppercase A. Now, let's draw a lowercase a. So step one is to draw almost what looks like a circle. And you can draw a whole circle if you like, if that makes you feel good. Okay, I'll draw a whole circle. And then you just draw a line just like that. See, does that look like a lowercase a? Let's do it again. Take your chalk, draw a circle just like that, and then put a line downward just like that.